And I'm Amy. And today we're going to be making buñuelos. Step 1, gather the materials. Tortillas, cinnamon, sugar, cooking oil, a pan, a plate with paper towels, a bowl, a pizza cutter, a cutting board, a spoon, tongs, and a measuring cup.
Step 2, make sure your hair is pulled back and you wash your hands.
Step 3, cut your tortillas into fourths.
Step 4, put cooking oil in the pan.
Turn on stove to medium temperature to heat oil. Measure out a cup of sugar. And pour the sugar into a bowl. Now put 1/8 of cinnamon into the measuring cup. Once you have 1/8 of cinnamon, pour it into the bowl. Then mix the cinnamon and sugar.
Keep on stirring it until it looks tannish.
When the oil is hot enough, put 4 tortilla pieces into the pan.
And right away you're going to want to flip them with the tongs. When you start to notice them getting golden, just keep on flipping. And then set them on your paper towel. This is a very quick process.
When the tortillas are golden brown, place them in the cinnamon sugar mix. And you can just flip them around and use a spoon to cover them in sugar and cinnamon. Once you've sprinkled your tortilla pieces with cinnamon and sugar, just place them in a pan or on a plate and they're ready to serve. Tortillas. Ben. Hielos.
Lalo.
Yeah.
Is it Mexican
No.
treat?
Beñuelos,
Sugar and
beñuelos,
spice?
beñuelos, beñuelos.
Ah!
Sugar and spice and everything nice.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Get professional.
Professional. The body of Christ everywhere.
Smells like cinnamon.
Gas pedal. Gas pedal. You don't go gas pedal. Okay.
That's what a gas pedal is.
The body
There
of
you go.
Christ. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I'm ready to be serious. Set. Take 2.
It's like take 5.